Halloween. Why? Oh well. What? Leave you? Leave you? How could I leave you? I'm getting undressed on camera. Oh! Scandalous! Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is self-explanatory. You've already seen the title, so let's get right into unboxing my deluxe Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box. And as you guys can probably already tell, I am not wearing any highlighter or lipstick because I'm hoping I'll have some fun new goodies to try out in this box. So not gonna lie, I've been watching some other unboxing videos of the deluxe box, and I was really hoping to either get a liquid highlighter or an eyeshadow palette, but it looks like neither of those are in the boxes, but let's find out, shall we? If I can figure out how to open the box. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's baby pink! I was not expecting baby pink wrapping, to be honest with you guys. You guys ready? Another layer of pink paper. Yes! I love how they packed everything in here. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Like, all the lipsticks are over here. There's a Supreme Frost, a lip liner, a lip scrub, of course a Jeffree Star pop socket, and a straw. So I'm very, very excited. And I got the medium-sized box. Reusable straw. I've always wanted to get one of these, and it says reusable straw and cleaning brush. Now, I've seen some other people saying that they didn't have theirs in the box, and I'm not seeing one here in mine, but I believe that they are sending them separately to everyone who got a deluxe box. But I love this. Ooh, it's metal. I cannot wait to use this. And this is the Be Iconic and Classy with this Jeffree Star approved strawberry metal straw. I like that it's strawberry. All right, next let's look at this pop socket. I love that it's orange because you guys know me, I love Halloween, everything orange. No, I've never gotten a pop socket ever in my life, so I'm excited for this. This is really cute. Yay! So I don't really own that many Jeffree Star products. I only have 6 lipsticks, no highlighters, no like eyeshadow palettes, anything. So I bought, of course, Drug Lord, Mistletoe from his Christmas collection, also Ho Ho Ho, which is one of my favorite lipsticks ever. I was so sad when this started to dry out. And of course, classic Dominatrix. And then these two were Valentine's Day gifts from my boyfriend this year. So I have the shade Candy Ass, which I love the name of that so much, and Weirdo. So that's all I have from Jeffree Star. Until, of course, I got this mystery box. Alright, so, I don't know what to open first. Alright, I'm gonna go with the... Yes! Okay, so I've been seeing that everyone else has been getting different lip scrubs. This is the Velour Lip Scrub in Pumpkin Pie. Oh my god, yes! Because I've been seeing other people get like strawberry gum or pink bubble gum. Pumpkin Pie, if I could have picked any flavor, this is the one I would have picked, so yes! Thank you to whoever packed this box. Halloween. Oh, I love how big and sparkly this is. This is gorgeous. I have to do close-up shots of all the packaging. This packaging is everything. It is so glittery and sparkly, and it feels really solid in my hand. Ah, I love it so much. The Jeffree Star logo, and it has like orange, green, red sparkle in the cap. It's so beautiful. All right, time to open this bad boy up. It smells like a Yankee Candle. It really does smell like pumpkin pie and whipped cream though, so alright. Taste test time. Oh, there. Mmm. Whoa. It has a lot of like the pumpkin pie spices to it. Ooh. Oh, that's so weird. The aftertaste tastes like whipped cream. That's crazy. How do they do that? That's amazing. Oh. I cannot wait to use this. It smells amazing. The packaging is amazing. So next, for the Jeffree Star lip liner. Ooh, this is in the shade Leo, which is a beautiful brown from what it looks like. Ooh, yes. Come out! Come forth! It's so cool because I've watched him for so long, and to finally hold in my hand what I've seen on screen, it's really cool. I like this packaging. When I first saw the packaging for his lip liners, I wasn't entirely sure if I liked it, but now that I'm holding it in my hand, this is really cute and I love it. It's like a little magic wand. Hi, how are ya? Ooh, it's a really nice milk chocolate brown, and I will swatch all of these for you guys, but this is gorgeous. I'm actually really happy that this is a more like neutral kind of shade instead of like a crazy shade, because I have so many crazy funky lip liners and I've been into doing neutral lips lately. Shocking, I know. But when you use a brown lip liner like this, it's gorgeous. Now, I'm looking at the Supreme Frost. I can't tell what shade it is. I've been seeing that other people have been getting the shade Hypothermia in their box, which I really, really want because it's this gorgeous blue-brown shade. All right, let's see. You guys ready? You guys are gonna see it before me. Don't tell me. Oh, sad. It's not Hypothermia. Oh, that's okay. Oh my god, this packaging though. It just feels like deluxe. Oh, I love this box. I'm keeping this box. So I got the shade Money Honey. I hope it's not that shade because I love crazy highlighters, but that is like, I don't know if I could pull that off. But it says sparkle to the max, bling bling bitch. Oh my god, I love Jeffree. Shine bright like a lighthouse. Ooh, I love that. Shine bright like a lighthouse. Extreme payoff, vegan and cruelty free. Can be put anywhere you want to bring light or attention to, aka my whole body. Alright, let's open this up. Oh, I love the crown detail on the packaging too. This is so pretty. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Actually, it almost looks like my hair. Hey! These always look so amazing on him in his videos. I've always wanted to try one. Ooh! I love that it says Jeffree Star Cosmetics on the rim there. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to swatch this and show you guys. I love that it has the big Jeffree Star logo in the middle, but then all around it is like this beautiful star texture. Ready? Stop! It has magnetic closure. Ah! Oh, that's so satisfying. I love that so much. Oh, yes! Moment of truth, the liquid lipsticks. So there are 4 here. Ooh, oh, okay. Oh, I like the shade range. So the first one that we have is from the family collection, which is the shade Diva. I love the baby pink packaging. Ooh, wow. Okay, I might have to wear this today. Ooh, it has like this really subtle yellowish gold reflect in the hot pink. Ooh, all right. And I know these are supposed to smell. I think his lipsticks smell different depending on what they are. This just kind of smells like chemicals, like a regular lipstick. Alright, so that one doesn't smell very exciting, but I will be swatching all of these for you guys as well. But for now, I just want to go through and look at all of them. Celebrity Skin is the next one. It looks like really dark purple, but I think this is a nude. Yeah, what's with that? This has like a really dark, like mauve purple tag, and then the actual color is like a nude. What? But this is really pretty. I've always wanted to try one of his nude lipsticks, so this is perfect. Alright, let's see. This one is Poinsettia. I'm assuming this is from a Christmas collection. Ooh, okay. This is a really gorgeous metallic red. I'm curious if this is similar to Ho Ho Ho. Oh no, this is really, really different. You guys are probably like, they look the same on camera, but this is a lot more metallic, as you guys can probably see. And Ho 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 had the bluish purple glitter in it. It looks like Poinsettia is just like straight up red metallic. Oh, this is gonna look really, really good. I'm so excited for that. And then for the last one, which is the mystery shade, which is exclusive to these boxes, I love the lime green packaging. Hi. Oh, okay. Question mark. This is pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to pull this off. It looks very pink. Like, I love pinks. I feel like I'll be able to pull off Diva a lot more than this one, but oh, these two together could be really pretty, like an ombre. Stop. Oh, and I'm living for this packaging. It just matches my hair almost perfectly. One more thing, then I'll get to swatching everything for you guys. The final thing in the box is a t-shirt. Oh, and it matches my hair. And it's in size medium. Oh, I'm so happy that this is black, to be honest. Oh my gosh, yes. And I have seen this in other people's unboxing videos. And it says, "Hi, how are ya?" on the back, which I love. And it has the Jeffree Star logo here. Oh my goodness. Now, I've been debating, like, because I had a feeling I was going to get this because I saw the other videos, but I don't know if I want to keep this as a regular t-shirt or if I want to keep it and make it into like a crop top, because I feel like this would be a super cute crop top. Probably not going to be able to see unless I put my hair around it how it looks, but this is really cute and it's really comfy. It is more like the loose fitting side, but I'm okay with that. Oh, this is really, really comfy. And I like, is it foundation? Dang it. Oh well. I like how loose fitting and comfy it is. And I love the back. Hi, how are you? I love the color. Why do I have to burp so much? I'm trying to make a video. Did I seriously put foundation on this though? Gosh dang it. I did. Ugh. So I am very, very happy with my box. All of these are awesome. I do wish that he had included like an eyeshadow palette or something, but I'm very happy with what I got. All right, now to the swatches. So I swatched all 4 lipsticks on my hand real quick. You guys can just see them here. So obviously from top to bottom, it's Celebrity Skin, Question Mark, Diva, and Poinsettia. Oh, these are really, really pretty. I kind of like the whole color story that they included with like the pinks and the nude and the red. So I'm gonna bring you guys a little bit closer in here for these lip swatches. You know what else I wish had been included in the deluxe box? I wish there was a star mirror, because I would love to have like a chartreuse lime green star mirror. That would have been amazing. But I'm gonna go from lightest to darkest in terms of lip swatches. So I'm gonna do Celebrity Skin first. Let's see. Oh my god, this smells like root beer. Ah, I love that. That smells delicious. I want to eat this so badly. Wow, I was not expecting to like this color as much as I do. Celebrity Skin, I think, might be one of my new favorite nudes. I love this because some nudes for me are too dark because I'm so pale. I think my favorite thing about this shade is the smell, because it smells like root beer and I can still smell it because it still hasn't dried yet. Oh, it smells so good, I just want to eat it. Now I'm gonna swatch Question Mark. Oh boy, that's really pink. I feel like I look like a watermelon. And not in a good way. This is way too pink for me, I think, to be worn on its own. I look like a clown. It's a very, very pretty color, and I like that so far all of these are going on with one swipe. Like, I didn't need to dip back into the container. They're not streaky. I don't think I could wear this on its own. It's very pretty. I mean, you guys tell me what you think. Do you think I could wear this on my own and get away with it? Maybe not with this hair. Like I said earlier, I think an ombre of this in Diva would be really pretty, so I might have to try that out later. This is a nice color, I just don't know if it's for me, but I do love the packaging. So that is Question Mark. So next up we have Poinsettia. Oh my goodness, this is so gorgeous. Wow, that's all I have to say about this color. It is so metallic and it's not even dried down yet. Oh, I love it. It is a little on the Christmassy side with my green eyes and my green hair, but oh my goodness, this color is stunning. This is gonna be my go-to Christmas lipstick for sure, I can already tell. So I don't know about you guys, but I am a huge fan of this shade. I think it looks really, really stunning. And I love the metallic formula. It's very comfortable, this lipstick. So I'm a fan. And now for the last shade and the one I was most excited for, Diva. Woo! And I thought Question Mark was bright. Hot damn. This is, I think, the brightest lipstick that has ever touched my face. I'm looking at myself in the monitor. I'm like, all right, now I look like a watermelon. Watermelon Fantasy, hi, how are you? I really like this shade though. It is stunning. This is really bright. I can see the glitter reflect in it. Oh, so pretty. What do you guys think? I love it. I think I might keep this on for the rest of the day. So that's all the lipsticks swatched. Now I'm gonna swatch Leo right here above Celebrity Skin. Oh, it's very similar, but it looks almost exactly the same as Celebrity Skin, so that's gonna be really, really pretty for nude lips. And now for the swatch that I've been waiting for. I don't know about you guys. Money Honey. Ooh, my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. It has a pink reflect in the light, so it's green and pink. Ooh, I wish this was a mirror so I could just use it to put it on, but I'm gonna use my other mirror. Oh my god. Whoa. That is intense. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Holy cow, that is stunning. It looks just like my hair color. I love that. Ah. Alright, so this needs to go all over the rest of my body now. Oh my goodness. I am very impressed. I love the formula. Super gorgeous. Jeffree really did that, damn. Okay, Jeffree, I see you. So here is a close-up of the packaging and the stamp. Ugh. I just love all the little stars and the logo. It is so gorgeous. And of course the Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the top there. Stunning. Do a little swatch here. And it feels really, really super soft and buttery to the touch too. Like you can kind of see there that it's reflecting pink. But hot damn. Wow. Oh, I love it. It is so pretty. Well, that is it for my Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Oh, I'm so happy with everything I got. So let me know what you guys think. What was your favorite item that I got? Which lipstick would you wear? Which lipstick wouldn't you wear? And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.